Bad throttle body symptoms. Your car may indicate a faulty throttle body through several signs. Rough idling. Carbon buildup in the throttle body can affect airflow, leading to a rough idle. In modern cars, the engine control module ECM uses the electronic throttle body to let in air as the engine idles. So carbon deposits and grime build up on the electronic throttle body can lead to a rough idling. In older vehicles, carbon deposits can build up on the idle air control valve mounted on the throttle body, causing a rough idle. Engine stalling. A dirty throttle body reduces the air entering the engine, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This can make it difficult for the engine to maintain the idle speed and eventually stall. Your car may also stall while driving if a bad throttle body or faulty throttle position sensor TPS doesn't let in the required amount of air. Check engine light. If the throttle valve doesn't move expectedly, the throttle position sensor sends an error signal to the ECM, triggering the check engine light. Your car may also enter limp mode. Limp mode results in reduced power delivered to the vehicle, helping avoid engine damage due to driving with a fault. Acceleration issues. Grime and carbon buildup inside the throttle body can affect the throttle valve movement. If the throttle valve gets stuck, it may lead to sluggish acceleration or unintended acceleration response. Poor fuel economy. A faulty or dirty throttle body can lead to poor fuel economy by impacting the relationship between the gas pedal and the throttle position. A bad throttle body may limit the airflow, leading to a rich air-fuel mixture and poor engine performance. Engine misfire. An engine misfire generally occurs due to spark plug or fuel injector problem. A bad throttle body can also cause it, as the throttle body controls the airflow entering the engine. Problems with it can throw the air-fuel ratio off balance, triggering misfires and reduced engine performance. You will get a check engine light and misfire codes for all cylinders instead of a specific one, as the throttle flap controls the airflow to all cylinders.